brought me a poinsettia, which will get me in the holiday mood. And then she brought me a little goodie bag, which I'm gonna open for you guys. I sit on the floor. It's so cute. Oh, it's so pretty and soft. The card. More hand sanitizer. I need this actually right now. I'm paranoid touching all this stuff. Yes. Honey lavender stress relief. Nuts. I'm so excited. My Cheez-Its. These are all so thoughtful. Thank you, Anna. Ryan's making me breakfast. Let's see, what do we have in their little COVID station? I have to test my sugar because I think I mentioned my medication that they gave me raised my sugar, so that's that. Elderberry syrup, which I haven't taken yet. My friend sent me this in my care package. Thank you, Mai. I'm gonna start taking it. We have Advil, we have Tylenol, and we have ibuprofen. And then I think we have another Tylenol. You bought 2 Tylenols?
Yeah, one's 100 counts, the other one's 200 counts.
Okay. And then we have Mucinex. This is what Ryan bought me initially, but then I got prescribed some Mucinex as well. So, and then we have our zinc, vitamin D. Ryan has his one a day that he's been taking, and the vitamin C. These were fine now because we don't have a fever anymore. And we have this, Ryan's been taking Alka-Seltzer Cold. And then my packets, which I'm going to start eating this week. And then the cough drops that my friend Ellie sent us. We had just bought some, so we haven't gotten through these. And then our little COVID station here. So everybody told me with COVID to drink these 3 if you got them. I thought it was just like something that was going around, but no, like literally at the hospital every single day. They gave me zinc, vitamin D, and C. And it's supposed to help. So. Oh my God, thank you. I love you.
I might be on your video for the pros.
You look good.
Try it though.
I will. You have yours too, right?
They crossed the river Isen on Midsummer's Eve, disguised as riders in black. They reached the Shire. They will find the ring.
I made cod with zucchini, carrots, and quinoa. So I woke up this morning and I showered and I washed my hair and I brushed it. I feel good. I feel okay. This morning I was watching videos and Ryan is watching Sherlock. I'm about to go join him and watching that. We've just been laying down, not doing much. I'm about to put some clothes in the laundry because I bought PJs from Target. They're Christmas PJs, so I want to wear them tonight. I just got really brain foggy. Like brain foggy. a lot. And then this side still hurts. My ear, I think I told you guys, my ear kind of hurts. Headaches. But my face is so dry. Oh my gosh, I need to put moisturizer or something. My husband. That's the update right now. I'm gonna combine the weekend vlogs because I didn't get enough yesterday. And it was only like 5 minutes, and I don't know. I'm just gonna combine them from today. So yeah, I'll take you guys along on my Sunday. Then, oh my god, pancakes and eggs. You love me. And turkey sausage. Yes. Mmm. Next movie of the day. Can you guess? That's my leg right there.
Friends, let me introduce myself. Peltzer's the...
My sister sent us an Uber Eats gift card, so we ordered from Maha Chai Thai Cuisine. Looks good. Looks really good. I'm excited to eat.